Okay, so this is the start of constructing this current drifter. And Richard, just tell me, you've got in the bottom, this is the mainstay, in the bottom of this is lead weights?
Yeah, there's about 300 mil of old tyre weights or lead weights.
Right.
2 kilos.
And they're going to stay in there, and that's to provide
Now,
weight at the
got-
bottom of the unit.
only the holes are marked only on one side, right? So B1, right, goes into B1. I'll just turn that around.
Yes.
And it goes that way. There should be an arrow on here.
Yep.
Slide it in this way.
Yep.
Right, and it's got to be a nice tight fit. That's that one.
Yep.
Right, and then we've got B2, B1, B2.
B1, B2.
Very Australian.
Very.
Okay, then that way. Done. When you get there, you'll put a hose clamp on this one
Yes.
and a hose clamp on that one.
Yes.
We won't worry about it today.
And not tighten too much.
No, you don't need to tighten it too
Yeah.
much. Okay, so now we're going to
Alright.
turn this up.
Yep.
The weights are held in by this one. Alright, so it's going to be there.
Yes.
Okay, and we're going to go T2. Again, arrow to here. And go that way. That way. And
Yep.
This one this way. Yep, so T1. That's that way. Arrow.
Yep.
And we're done.
Great.
Alright?
Yep.
Okay, so that's that. Now I found the easiest way to do this is to do this.
Yep.
Alright. Go to save. You don't have to save, it doesn't matter.
Yep.
And you start off with the top, because the top is actually about 2 or 3 inches out further than the bottom, so it makes it easy for you to start.
Yes.
And that one will go there.
Yep. Right, so we've got the 4 on.
Alright, now we're going to put these on, right? So we'll do that. Now we're going to use, like I said, these split pins for today.
Yep.
Because I don't want to use the stainless ones, right? So we'll spread these out because we're going to be chucking it in a pool.
Yep.
That's enough, right? Yep.
Yep.
And then, now these are marked as well. Okay, T1 and T2.
Yep.
Okay, so T2, this
Yep.
one has a T2. They're different lengths.
Alright. How come?
Well, because these are different, so you've got to have it floating balanced. Right. Washer. One of these. Like that. Undo that.
And that's done.
Right,
Right, so we've got 4 on.
And we're going to one of those.
Now we're using a different
Now there's one of these.
inner washer.
Which I reckon today we will, if you remind me, we might. I reckon it's that one there. I'm a little bit worried about this one when I saw it the other day. Right, as long as you're, see what, it'll have to go this way. All right, see this hole here? I just fucked up a little bit when I made that.
Oh,
hole.
okay.
Excuse my language.
Yes, yes.
Right, it's just I don't like that. So
Yeah.
I can either drill another hole perpendicular at 90 degrees to that,
No,
or
no, I'll
you remember?
I'll be
So
right.
we'll just do this here. That'll do for today.
Yep.
Just let that hang.
and we're going to do the same with all 4.
Yep.
Okay, so they're on. And now we're going to put the
Now we're
actual...
going to put this one in, so we're going to turn this on. Right, now turn it on, just hard depress, that'll come on. It should do this.
for 20 seconds.
Yep, and then it'll go, and it'll just start flashing, it'll go red if it's trying to get the GPS coordinates.
Yep.
Right, now this is the important bit, we need to put this up the right way.
Yes,
Right, so sky, sky.
yes.
Right,
Yep.
like that. Now for today I'm going to use this, but when you get there you're going to put the desiccant in, okay?
All 4 of them.
Well, I think 3 of them do fit on. That one's fallen out of the bag, but that's all right. I'll put that
I've
back in.
taken
So,
it out.
yeah, okay. So, yeah, all 3 of them go in there, right?
And we will
And
leave them in that bag
Until you put them in here. Yes.
and then take them out.
Yeah, because if you have those out for a week or 2 in Indonesia, they'll absorb all the moisture and they won't do any work.
Yes,
So,
right.
so
So it's
Right.
the spot.
the spot, and you can see that other side to sky. But that's right because this is going to go
Yep,
up
up
that
the other
way,
way, yep.
right? And it's on.
So
we
the
can see it flashing,
Yep.
right?
So the spot goes in and then the desiccant
Then
goes
desiccant, right?
in
This
on
is
top
the
of that.
desiccant for today.
Oh, okay.
That's the desiccant for today.
Yes,
Then this,
yes.
right? And this will push down, and there's a lot of it does actually form a very good seal actually.
Yeah.
So that's it, right? So
Right.
now we've got 4 self-tapping screws here.
Yes.
We find the alignment mark on this, which is around just there. Put that there. That'll sit there for a minute. While I
Yes.
do this.
I'll come back around this side because of that.
Just do this one here.
Yep.
Just push it down until you expose the hole.
Alright.
That's it.
Yep.
and then that goes in there.
And that's it.
That's it. It's done.
You're a champion, mate.
All right, let's put it in the water and hope it doesn't sink. We haven't tried that yet.
And
So
the only
you're going to put the hose clamps on
we're
here.
going to put those
Otherwise,
on.
they'll work out.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Very
don't
important.
forget that a nail in this. Everything's going to be in that container there. There's spare hose clamps. There's one spare one.
No worries.
No, there's some stainless steel wire ties just in case you have an emergency. in the
So they're
inside.
not for anything specific at the moment. They're for emergency.
No, these are not for anything specific. No.
Okay. No worries.
Okay.
And there's no other silicon seals or anything we need to put
No, there's nothing else.
around anything, because ultimately this tracker doesn't matter if it gets wet.
No, they're slightly waterproof. So.
Yeah. Well, righto. Our first test.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
No, just free flow up and down. That's it. That's
Just sitting there real good, isn't it?
That's good. Actually.
Yeah.
It's very well balanced. So I'm probably just going to sit like that all day. Right, we're going to look at a track.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Come here.
Right. Here's Richard doing the ultimate.
Okay, it's actually pretty grippy. You ready?
Yep. The crappy launch test. Upside down.
That's going to hit the side. Never mind.
That'll.
It'll-
Look at that.
it'll be right.
Look at that.
There we go. Sit it out the sun for a minute. Let it dry off.